going to show you how to crystallize and how you can use it to benefit you and save them for later use if you'd like. Crystallizing is a technique that allows you to make a fan and save it for later use, or make that fan and have it be still and stable. It won't close, so that by the time you go to put it on someone's natural lash, you can re-dip it in adhesive and just place it right on that lash with the luxury of knowing that it will not close. I'm going to show you 3 ways to make a fan. First, I push those lashes down, and then I'm gonna pick up about halfway off the strip and gently roll. This is called the rolling technique. I don't want that lash. Went too far, but I'm gonna pick up these, pull them toward you gently, then you'll go ahead and dip in adhesive. You've got yourself a fan. So I'll show you the rolling technique again. Okay, so I'm going to push these lashes down. I'm going to pull forward the desired amount of lashes that I want in my fan. I'm going to roll. Sometimes you need to push them back together. Go ahead and pull these forward gently. Created a nice beautiful fan. Now we just need to get to the adhesive. And then we'd be able to put that on our client. All right, last time for the rolling technique. So I push those lashes down, pull this forward, roll those tweezers on there. That time only 3 looked good, so I'm just gonna pick up these 3. For our second technique, this one is still on the strip. You're still pulling forward, but you're gonna rest this tweezer right here on the strip, and you're gonna use small movements to move these lashes and separate them. So I'm pinching the tweezers open and closed to fan those open. Once I get the desired space that I want in between those fans, I'll go ahead and pick it up. You always want to pull toward you and go to the adhesive. And you've got yourself a pretty fan. I'll show you that one again. So I always push down, pull up the desired amount that you want, rest your tweezer on the strip, and go ahead and fan. You never want to fan up here. It just doesn't give you a lot of control. You always want your tweezer to be resting down here on the strip as you're fanning them apart. Close, pull towards you. We want to do really small movements when we're making a fan. If you do too quickly or you're too harsh, you can easily mess up your fan. Fan that one on the strip. Go and close in on my tweezer. Remember, we always want to pull towards you, never away. Should come off nice and easy and be ready to dip and go on a client. The last technique I'm going to show you is how to fan using a sticky dot. So I lifted the lashes that I want slowly and gently off of the strip. I'm going to push this into the sticky dot. Then go ahead and fan as I would if I was trying to separate it on a strip. Pick up and pull towards you. With the sticky dot, we're going to lift the desired amount of lashes up as close to the base of the lashes as we can. We're going to stick that on the sticky dot, kind of push it in a little, and go ahead and separate those. The advantage of the sticky dot is that it may help a little in separating those eyelash extensions. And again, you want to pull towards you. The bases aren't together, but when we dip it in adhesive, they should come together. If they don't, you can do a little crystallizing. We're going to pick up the desired amount that we want to place on the sticky dot from the base. Place it on that dot. Go ahead and fan. Pick up your fan, pull towards you, and you can dip in adhesive. I have them in little cases. These are my 12 millimeters, and this is how I would store them to use them later. Storage is total preference as well. So we made these earlier by crystallizing, and I'm going to show you. I would just pick them up and put them on our client. To crystallize, we dip that base in adhesive, and then we're just going to glide that through our fingers very gently. And then we can put it on the natural lash. I dipped in adhesive again because when we glided it through our fingers, we lost majority of that adhesive. The adhesive that we just dipped for will be the adhesive that's used to stick to the natural lash. Crystallize, we glide through those fingers, and we're going to put more adhesive to go onto that natural lash. Crystallizing helps ensure that your fan does not close, and then that's how I had my Pro Made fans earlier, is I used the crystallizing method and saved them.